This is going to be a video tutorial on how to access the hidden experimental settings on the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To access the hidden experimental settings, first thing you want to do is go up to the address bar up top here. And I'm going to put my cursor in there. You want to erase whatever's in there. And then you'll type edge : // Hit enter. That will take you to a page that looks something like this. At the top of the page, it has a search box. Off to the right side, it has a Reset All button. Down below that, it says Experiments. Warning: experimental features ahead. By enabling these features, you could lose browser data or compromise your security or privacy. Down below here, it has two tabs, Available and Unavailable. On the Available tab, you could scroll down through here, and there are hundreds of settings that you can customize in here. If you choose one that you want to change, say that I wanted to change this Show Autofill Productions. Off to the right of it, it has a little button. I'm going to click that drop down. I can enable it, or I can disable it here. If I wanted to disable this, then you would need to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the little restart button. Click on Restart if you change anything. That is how to access the hidden experimental settings in the Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.